Hi guys, welcome back to another GoPro random video. And yes, I know there's long gaps between my uploads, but today I actually have a very interesting video. So in my drawer I found this HTC One M8 phone. So I thought, what if I rooted the device so that I can use it for more, like I said, other stuff. So today I will actually be showing you guys how you can unlock the phone's bootloader, as well as root the phone. So in this video I will be covering a very exact and step-by-step tutorial on how you can root the HTC One M8 or every other phone. You can probably follow along with other phones as well, but this video is going to specifically focus on the HTC One M8. So I will be showing you how you can unlock the device bootloader, install TWRP, also known as TWRP, and then install the custom linageOS onto the device. And I'll also be showing you how to root the device. Here is the root checkers app, so that you can just see that the device is indeed rooted. So yeah, I will be showing you how to do all of that stuff, and I'll also be showing you how to get Google Play Store, the Aurora Store, which works almost the same as the Google Play Store, and this G-Space with actual Play Store and stuff. I'll be showing you how to get all of that to work. So yeah, it might be a long tutorial, but I will be covering all of this in today's video. So let's get right into the tutorial. Okay guys, so before we jump into the tutorial, I just want to tell you a few things. Number one, the phone has already been rooted and everything, so I'll not be showing you everything exactly on how to do it, but I'll make sure to explain it as clear as possible and show you as full as possible. I also just want to say, if you're following along and you don't have the HTC, but you do have a Samsung, do not follow this tutorial. Go on and find other tutorials on YouTube, because the Samsung's is completely different. And number three, when you unlock the bootloader, it will reinstall the OS, and that means all of the data on the phone will be erased. So just keep note of that, and I will not be responsible if everything goes wrong, so do it at your own risk. So let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so in order to do this, you are going to need, obviously, your phone that you're going to root. You will need an USB cable to connect the phone to an PC. You will need a micro SD card. You will need an adapter if your PC does not have a micro SD card. And you need something to eject the slot to insert the micro SD card. You will also need, obviously, your PC. It could be any PC from Windows, Linux or Mac. It should be the same. So let's hop onto the PC. Okay guys, so like I said, this phone has already been rooted, but on the original OS on your phone, what you want to do is go into settings first, scroll all the way down, go into about phone, then you go and find the build number, tap it 7 times so that you will activate developer mode. I already deactivated it, so that's why you can see it's not working for me. You might need to enter your phone's PIN, but then once you go back and you head into system, you will see developer options right over there. Then just open it up, make sure it is turned on, then scroll down and turn on USB debugging. Make sure that is on, and if there is an option for OEM unlocking, make sure to turn that on as well. If it's not there, you can just go ahead and skip the step, because like I said, the HTC does not have that. So now let's jump onto the PC. Okay guys, so just before you start, the next step is to plug in the USB cable into your PC, and then you're gonna take your phone. Then you unlock the phone and make sure all of the developer option stuff is on. you hold the power button and you power off the device completely. Now go on to Google whichever device you have, then find the button combination to get your device into fast boot mode. If you're using the HTC, you just hold volume down and you hold the power button. And then this display will come up. Then you just use the volume buttons to navigate to fast boot. You click the power button and then you just take the USB cable and connect it into the device. Then you will see on the screen the fast boot will change to fast boot USB. Then you know it is successful. And there at the top you will see mine says unlocked because my bootloader is unlocked, but you can check there yours should say locked. So then we hop over onto the PC. Okay guys, so once you are now on the PC, you first want to go into the first link in the description, the SDK platform tools. So then you go ahead and choose the one for your PC. I have Windows, so I'm going to click Windows, scroll down, click I agree and click the download button. Then you will download the file. Then you should be getting, let me just quickly delete this. Then you should get this platform tools zip file. Just go ahead and extract it. If you don't have WinRAR or 7-zip, you can also just right click and click extract all. This is a feature built into Windows, but then you open up the platform tools folder until you reach here. Click on the little bar at the top, type in cmd, and then the command prompt will open. Then you type fast boot devices, and then you will see there my device is detected. Your device might not be detected, so don't worry, just go ahead and go into link 2 in the description and then scroll down and click on download and then just download this zip file. Go also to link 3 and just click here on Windows or Mac OS, whichever one you have, and the download should automatically start. If it does not, click here, but you should be redirected to this page and then you can download it. Then you'll receive this HTC mobile driver zip file. Go ahead and extract that, open it up and just run this exe file, as well as go to the setup file over here, run it, just close the application will just install some drivers, but you don't have to use the application. Then just go ahead and reboot your system and then you can connect your phone to the PC once again, and like I said, go into platform tools, type in cmd and open the command prompt. Then type in fast boot devices. Okay, so now once your device is detected, just type in fast boot OEM get underscore identifier, identifier underscore token, press enter. Type in this, then you press enter and you'll get a bunch of this code. And just know this is only if you have HTC devices. If you don't have an HTC device, this step is not necessary. So then go ahead and start here at the identifier token start all the way to identifier token end. Press Ctrl C to copy it and then go into link number 4 in the description. Okay, so you will be on this page, then log in with your HTC account. If you don't have an account, just create one. Then just go back to this page, select your device. Like I said, we have the HTC One M8. Click begin unlock bootloader, click on yes. Then you just tick both of these boxes and proceed to unlock instructions. Scroll down, proceed to step 5, scroll down, and then right over here you just paste your code in. Then just make sure to remove all of this bootloader in brackets because that must not be there. Okay, so like this, just make sure that there's no spaces in front of the stuff as well as after the stuff. So this is one nice block. Then click the submit button, and then if you get an error, it means you made a mistake in the identifier token, but it should say success, and then they will immediately send you an email. So just open up your email app. The email will be the key to unlocking your HTC device. Just scroll down and download the attached file, and then you should be getting an unlock underscore code.bin file. So now that you have that thing, open up the command prompt again. If you closed it, just go to platform tools, type in cmd, and then you just type fast boot devices. Just make sure your device is still being detected, and then you type in fast boot flash unlock token, just like that. Then copy path of the unlock thing, unlock code.bin. Just press Ctrl V to paste it right in here. And then the moment you click enter on your phone, there will be a pop-up asking if you're sure you want to unlock the bootloader. Use the volume buttons to navigate to yes, and press the power button to accept. Then your device will reboot, and you will be greeted with a nice little setup screen, because like I said, everything will be deleted and the OS will be reinstalled. So then if you're planning on using the phone with that OS, you can go ahead and set it up. But if you gonna install the linageOS, you can just go ahead and skip that, because it's anyway gonna uninstall that OS anyway. So then just power off your phone, and then I'll show you on the phone what to do next. Okay, then on the phone you can go ahead and plug it out of the PC, and your phone should then be completely powered off after you went through the setup screen, or if you skipped it, you skipped it. Then you just go ahead and hold down your button combination once again to get to the fast boot menu. And then you should see that at the top it says unlocked. If it says unlocked, everything went great and everything's perfect. So now we can head over to the next step so that we can flash TWRP onto the device. So let's hop back onto the PC. Okay, now we can install TWRP. So just go into link number 5 into the description, go ahead and click on devices, search for your device. We have the HTC One M8, choose the all variants one, just click on it, scroll down, click on the primary link, then just choose the latest version for your device and click on the download big button. Then you will be downloaded this TWRP.img file. Then you just go ahead and right click and go to copy as path, go into command prompt again. You should have executed this command. Let me just type it out. Open up the command prompt again, type in fast boot devices, make sure your device is still being detected. Then you type in fast boot flash recovery and you paste your thingy in there. So then you just click enter and it should flash the TWRP onto your device. And if there's any confirmation stuff on your phone, just agree to everything and stuff, but mine did not give any of that. But yeah, so then I'm going to quickly hop onto the phone so that you can see if it is successfully being installed. Okay guys, so then you just go down to power down the phone. You can unplug it from the PC now. Then you hold volume down and power button or whatever your recovery button combination is. And then you select the recovery. So go one down into recovery and press the power button so that your device boots into recovery mode. So then just wait for it to boot. Okay, and then you will see the Team 1 project, and you might get a thingy that just says swipe to allow modifications. Just go ahead and swipe, and then you will be on this screen. So now the bootloader is successfully unlocked with TWRP. So now we can hop back onto the PC so that we can flash linageOS. Okay guys, so for this step, you will not need to connect your phone to the PC. Just go ahead and connect your micro SD card to the PC. Then head over to link number 6, link number 6, and you will be on this GitHub page. Then click on the first one, the Lineage unofficial M8 zip, not the M8D, make sure it's this one. So just click on it and it should download it. Then you will be having this Lineage 21 unofficial zip file. You do not have to extract it, just copy that zip file, go onto your memory card and paste that file right onto there. Okay, so once it's done, you can actually also go to the last link in the description, this one of the Magisk. This is going to be to root the device. You can scroll down, click on download the Magisk app, then the download should automatically start over here, and then once you download it, you should be getting the Magisk APK file. Then you can copy that APK file and you can actually paste that also onto the the memory card. So now you can go ahead and eject the memory card out of your PC and then hop over to the phone again. Okay guys, so your phone should probably now be in sleep mode. Just put it on, click on swipe to unlock, click reboot and power off. Then just wait for the device to completely power off. Okay, then you get your SIM ejector and just go ahead and eject the slot over here. Go ahead and put in your micro SD card, slot it back into the phone, then hold your button combination once again so that it goes on, and then it will read the SD, go down and boot into recovery mode. So then just wait so that it is back in TWRP once again. Okay guys, now you need to watch carefully because I'm not gonna do it, otherwise it's gonna factory reset my phone. But you wanna go ahead and click on wipe. Then you're gonna go to format data and you're gonna type in yes to confirm. Once that is complete, go to this screen, click on advanced wipe, then select all of it until internal storage, but do not wipe the micro SD card and stuff. Then swipe to wipe once again, and then once that finish, swipe to factory reset. Then you just go out, click on reboot, click on power off once again. Then just make sure wait for the device to go completely off again. Okay, then you can go ahead and hold volume down and your button combination or whatever. It will read the SD again and boot once again into recovery mode. And I also forgot to mention, when you click on power off, there might be a confirmation that says you have no OS installed. Are you sure? Just swipe and make it go down. So then once you're back, you will probably need to swipe again to allow modifications. Go ahead and do that. Then you go to install, click on select storage. Make sure you select micro SD card, click OK. Then click on the Lineage and then swipe to flash. So then just wait for the file to completely flash until it says successful. Then go out, click on reboot and then click on system. So that will now let your phone boot into the system and linageOS should be installed successfully. Then you will be greeted with the linageOS setup screen. Just follow the on-screen instructions, set up your phone as how you would like it. You can explore the OS a little bit if you want, and then yeah, and then just I'll show you now what to do next. Okay, so when you're now happy and everything's set up, hold the power button and power off the phone again. Then, once again, hold your button combination. It will read the SD card and you boot into recovery mode once again. Okay, once you're in, go to install again, go to select storage, make sure your micro SD card is selected, then click on the Magisk APK, swipe to flash it, and then once it's done flashed, just go out, click on reboot, and click on system again. Okay guys, so now once everything is done and you are in your linageOS and you're happy with everything, now I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Play services with the Aurora store, as well as the root checker, and as well as the YouTube in GSpace. Now, before I do that, I'm quickly going to show you how to finish rooting your phone. So once you scroll up, you should see a Magisk application, but it will not have the same icon as you will see over on my screen. So go ahead and click on it, and it will tell you that it needs to finish the install. Go ahead and click OK, and then the device will update. Then you can go ahead and open the application, and it might say that it's needing further installation or whatever. Just go ahead and click OK, and then your device should restart. If there is an option which you need to choose, click on direct install, the one that is recommended, wait for it to finish and reboot the device. Then you can go into Magisk, and there where it says Magisk at the top, installed, make sure there's a version number over there and it doesn't say anything else. Make sure it says, it doesn't have to say 30.7, but there must be a version over there. That means your device is successfully rooted. Now I'm going to show you how to install the Aurora store so that you can download Root Checker. Then you can see if your device is actually rooted. And then last but not least, I'll show you GSpace. So make sure your device is connected to an internet connection, and click on this little star icon over here, which is actually a browser. It will take you to Google, and then you go ahead and search. Let me just make sure. Yeah, search micro G download. Then you click on the GitHub page that appears. Then you scroll up until you see micro G services. Click on GitHub release page. Then you scroll up, and then you will see here it says custom ROM. We need to install com.google.android GMS. So then you scroll down, then you search for com.google.android.gms right over here. Just click on it, click download, and then you will also see it says we need to install com.android.vending. Then you scroll up, download com.android.vending. Then once you're done, go back one page. You don't have to install the micro G companion because we already installed that in the previous link. But where it says micro G services framework, click on GitHub release page once again. Scroll up, and here on the assets, just click on the GSF proxy.apk. Go ahead and install that. Then on your phone, go to files, and then go to your device, click on downloads, and then I have not installed it over here, but you should see the 3 files. Just click on it and install it. If there's an option or pop-up that says you need to allow the files to install unknown apps, just click on settings and go ahead and scroll down, click on install unknown apps, and then just install the 3 APKs we just installed. Then go into your device settings, scroll up, click on apps, scroll up, click on see all, then you scroll all the way till you find micro G services. Go ahead and click on that. Then scroll up, click on permissions, then make sure to allow every single permission in there. Then you close it, then you go up and you click on display over other apps, make sure that's allowed, click on open by default, click there, then you should not see the app.goo.gl, click add link and then just add the app.goo.gl. Make sure all of that is done. Then go to additional settings in the app, click on self check, and then just make sure everything that is ticked here by me is ticked by you. Everything is supposed to be ticked, but as you can see, even on my phone some of the stuff is not ticked. That is because this app is actually made for Huawei devices, so don't worry about that. Just make sure everything that is ticked here by me is ticked by you. Then go out, click on Google accounts, then you scroll down and then strip device name for authentication, turn that off, and then you just click add Google account and you sign in with your Google account. Then once you've done all of that, you can now close out of everything and go back into browser. Oh, sorry. There's one step that I missed. Then you can go out to over here, go to special app access, go to unrestricted data, and then scroll down until you see the MicroG companion, MicroG services and MicroG server framework. Turn all 3 on. Okay, now that should be it. And if you want to then you go to browser again, click, then you search Aurora APK download. I just want to see if it's in my history. Yeah, Aurora Store APK, that's what you need to search. Then go to the up to down link, click on it, then scroll up, click on get the latest version, then you scroll all the way up and click on the download button. Just make it downloading, then you click download, click download, then you can go out, go into files and install the APK once again. Then go into settings, go into see all apps, click on Aurora Store, go to permissions, allow all permissions, go down, click on install unknown apps, turn that on, and also go to open by default, then add the link and add the play.google.com, market.android.com, add those. Then you can now go ahead and exit out, go into the Aurora Store application, and then just go through the setup screen, and if there's any other permissions you need to grant, go ahead and do that. Sign in with your account, your Google account, and then you would be in the Aurora Store. Then you can now go ahead, search, and then you search Root Checker, and there's the Root Checker app. You can just go ahead and install that. There will be a pop-up, just click install once again, and then you should have the root checker app. Then you can now open it up. Then you just click on yes and agree to everything. Then you can verify root. It might ask for super user access. You can accept to that, and you will see that the root access is properly installed. So yeah, then your phone should be ready to use. You have your rooted custom OS, ROM, all of that stuff perfectly ready to go. But if you want other stuff like YouTube and stuff that needs Google Play services which are not on linageOS, you can go ahead and go into Google once again. Then you search for GSpace. Go to the original GSpace website. Then click on free download APK. Make sure to download it. Once again, go to files, downloads, install the APK, and then you can go ahead and open up the GSpace APK or application that you just downloaded. Agree all permissions and everything. Then just go into Google Play Store. Then just make sure to sign in with your account. Then you do have the Play Store. You can install apps if you want to, but I think the Aurora Store is much better for this device. It's much more stable, and you also have the latest version. And like you see, sometimes it crashes. But yeah. So then, but you can have applications like YouTube. You can click on YouTube and it will automatically install, and you can enjoy YouTube. You can also hold onto the icon and click create shortcut, and then you have like this little YouTube shortcut over here, which when you press it just opens up YouTube, as you would see right over here now. Yeah, the stuff is not so great in the GSpace, but yeah, it does work. There you will see, so now you have YouTube also. So yeah, so that is the full tutorial on how to do all of this. So yeah, now you have your perfectly phone. You can install more custom stuff with TWRP, as well as your bootloader, which is unlocked. Your device is rooted. You can do whatever you want with your rooted device. You have your nice custom ROM. You can go in and customize it as you want. You have Android 14, so if it's an old phone, you have a nice upgrade. And you still have your Google Play stuff. So yeah, that will be it for this video. And then I'll see you in the next one.